Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1320 and today's topic is quantum exponential growth in the year 2025. I have delivered 2-3 lectures before about the quantum, classical world, quantum world and quantum concept, but today my lecture is very much related to today's quantum technologies, how it is impacting our day-to-day life, and more especially the concept of energy in the year 2025 is totally changed. Why I am saying? Because UNO has declared year 2025 as the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology. So the year 2025 is declared International Year of Quantum Science and Technology. So this quantum technology became very, very important, and to be very frank, several times I have mentioned that now the era of digital age, we are in digital technology, is almost getting over. Because digital age is binary, 0, 1, and here the concept of energy is by flow of electron in the form of electricity, in the form of information, electronic cloud, all is electronic age. Now we are not entering, we have already entered, and that is quantum age means photon age. Is we have entered in quantum age means the concept of energy is photon. So we have to know very clearly the concept of photon. The word quanta means bundle of energy. Quanta means bundle of energy. Quanta means bundle of energy. And bundle of energy is called photon. So if suppose we are having electron, this side photon, and two technologies are there. One technology is based on electron, that is electronic age, what we are living today, and the other age, that is quantum age, with quantum technologies, with quantum energy. And why I am saying that the concept of energy is totally changed, and to my estimate and understanding, very soon, not far away, maybe within 10 years time, the use of fossil fuel petroleum will be totally reduced or drastically reduced in most of the countries, and even the battery will be very much less in demand, like lithium battery, lead battery. They are all known as conventional or classical form of battery, which is based on electron storage of energy. Here we will be having quantum computer, quantum battery, quantum, that is cyber security and cryptography, all the new technologies combined with another 3 technologies known as nanotechnology, mean 1 billionth of atom, and then with artificial intelligence automation. But all the energy supply will be done by photon. So what is photon? Photon is bundle of energy. And if I say energy, photon energy is equal to h mu. Photon energy is equal to, you might have seen h mu. H mu means h is Planck constant, and mu is a Greek term, means it is frequency. So photon is nothing but is the combination of Planck constant with frequency, that is momentum of the light. And it is the particle of light, so-called particle of light, because here in the case of photon, electron in the form of particle is behaving like wave, and that wave is in the form of light, and we can call it is light particle. But this photon is without charge, without mass. So photon is no charge, no electrical charge, no mass. But here it is negative charge in the case of electron, and there is mass. And this photon is collected, and that is from sunlight, and it is stored. That is the main thing, how to conserve the photon which is produced from sunlight, and how to store it. That is the technology. And nowadays lot of high-tech group, more especially Elon Musk of America, he is installing in space lot of big solar panel, and those solar panel, they will all store, conserve photons in the form of photon, and that photon will be released in the form of electricity, microwave, and the whole globe will be receiving. This is the new emerging technology of quantum energy, quantum concept. And in future, with this quantum age, our grandchildren will be feeling sorry. They will discuss that our great-grandparents, ancestors, they had very tough life. They may discuss about me that my grandfather was there in Maiduguri, and he had to spend a lot of time hearing lot of metallic sound of mechanical generator to generate electricity, and there was lot of struggle to illuminate inside house, domestic electricity, then industrial electricity, and lot of diesel and fuel, petroleum was used. It was a big struggle, big war of energy. Still it is going on. It will be over. Just like stone age is over. Same quantity of stone is there. It is overtaken by new technologies. In the same way, in energy sector, the same fossil fuel will be buried. That is called crude oil, petroleum. But there will be no demand, because other renewable source of energy will be working in the form of solar energy, photon. And in every houses, there will be voltaic cell, powerful, and of course lot of nanotechnology, surface concern, and with the help of automation and artificial intelligence, is very fast exponential growth in this energy sector is going on. And in future, I am very much confident that two things will be free, should be free. One, energy, electricity, produced in space, without smoke, without metallic sound, without diesel, without petrol. that is called green energy, clean energy. Nowadays in India, two of the Indian billionaires, multi-billionaire I can say, one is Mr. Adani, other name is Mr. Ambani. They have already started investing multi-billion project in creating the infrastructure for solar energy to harvest, to conserve, because they know that after 10 years, just 10 years time, there will be no demand of hydrocarbon, that is called fossil fuel, because of production of lot of carbon dioxide gases, lot of pollution, noise pollution, carbon pollution, and lot of struggle, and the cost, very costly. This quantum technology is going to provide neat, clean energy once infrastructure is established. And sun is for everybody. Since last billions of years, sun is producing energy. So that is the basic concept of quantum technology in the form of energy, how to produce new type of energy, and that is in the form of photon. And photon will be storage. Here, the photon is the source of energy in quantum age. There in digital age, electron was the source of electricity, flow of electron. And photon, I have already told you that it is nothing but E is equal to hv and no change, no mass. And no mass means if it is at rest, energy is zero. At rest, photon is equal to energy is equal to zero, because once there is no mass, so there is no question of energy. The energy is generated with frequency. Once there is frequency, momentum, energy is released. That is the concept in photon. And quantum concept is our universe here on earth, everything is in quantum state of energy, layers of energy. And when it was seen in the case of atom, atom is microscopic particle. We cannot see. Microscope cannot see. Our visible range cannot see, because it cannot reflect the visible range wavelength, because it has diameter 10 to the power minus 10 meter. The diameter of atom is 10 to the power minus 10 meter. That's why single atom, it is not possible. In that case, then the concept of mole came. On 1 mole of atom means it is 10 to the power 23 microscopic particle. And with that concept, people were not knowing that atom is so important, that it is having bundle of energy. And today, everything is very much established. All the technologies are ready. And in India, one company, that is quantum company and quantum space company, the CEO of that company who established that company in Hyderabad, I am going to give in summary, he is getting the salary of 2.2 billion US dollar per annum, highest salary in the world. And it is he who could construct the quantum battery. And that quantum battery is very superior from charging point of view, quickly, just no need to go and plug for many hours to charge. No, just immediately it is charged. Long duration of time, very efficient. But even that thing will be over. The concept of battery in future and the concept of production of electricity by generator and fossil fuel is getting over. This is my observation. And here in science, it's not like that I may be wrong. No, I am correct. Because I can see the experimental value and the exponential growth of quantum technology. So here, I am going to give some small points. So here I have given the form of summary, the exponential, extensive and expensive research of quantum technologies. So here number one, quantum is new emerging technologies. Number two, the year 2025 has been declared the International Year of Quantum Science and Technologies. So, year of quantum technology and science. Number three, quantum computing is expected to see significant advancement in the year 2025. Lot of research and investment is going on, that is in quantum computing. And number four, quantum cryptography is another area where a lot of research is going on and development, and that is to address the cyber security. That is very, very important area. And then number five, quantum imaging. This is also another area, and to improve the visualization of nature, means so far we have only flat two-dimensional photography. So with this, we will having three-dimensional, and lot of new images will be formed. Then number six, quantum batteries. Now come to energy. So lot of work and research is going on, that is on quantum batteries, where the photons are the main source of energy which will be stored working quantum batteries, and it will be faster and efficient. Number seven, photon has become the main source of energy in 2025, and that is vital source of energy in the name of solar energy, and it is becoming most important renewable source of energy in future. Number eight, today countries are investing heavily in the manufacture of solar panel, solar cell. So it is a great opportunity globally. Even Nigeria should start investing, creating infrastructure to manufacture the solar panel as well as solar cells, voltaic cells for future age, because in future, in coming 10, 20, 30 years, it will be only and only solar energy in the form of photon. And then advancement of photon energy. This is the heading of advancement of photon energy, photon in the form of bundle of energy. Extensive and expensive research is going on, and speed of the photon is 10 to the power 10 meter per second, is almost same like light. And then it is not having mass, but once it is moving, it has kinetic mass, and that is given by Einstein, E is equal to mc square, because it is all convertible, frequency, mass, energy. And if you take in that case equation you solve, then m will be equal to h mu over c2, that is frequency. And one thing very interesting, that in India there is a very, very powerful company known as Quantum Escape. Quantum Escape company to manufacture quantum batteries was established in collaboration with USA, and the founder was that Indian Mr. Jagdeep Singh. He was the founder, and up to last year, I know his salary, it was given on Google, was the highest. next to Elon Musk and Sundar Pichai of Google and Tesla, and it was $2.3 billion per annum salary. But of course, he is a genius, and he used the photon, and it is he who constructed the quantum battery, where in place of electron, he used bundle of energy, that is photon, to conserve or to reserve in the form of energy, store energy. And note, these research globally demonstrate the exponential growth of quantum technologies in 2025 and future. And here let me add more, please. This is the platform, and I'm not any commercial or any type of YouTuber, what is, no, not like that. I'm just using YouTube platform just to communicate, to share my scientific knowledge, chemistry, energy knowledge, medicinal chemistry knowledge. Because before, when I used to lecture in front of students, there were only 100, 200 students. This is the platform what I am using to just share my scientific knowledge to thousands. That's all. And out of that, if even few hundred are benefited, I am successful. My inner feeling or my vision is just to share my scientific knowledge, and this is the platform. That is YouTube. I used to hand over my phone to my driver. He is holding, and I am sharing my lecture. After that, he will upload his phone. So this is my good platform and good opportunity, so that I can share my deep chemistry and scientific energy knowledge to thousands of the people and to thousands of my students. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.